Lovely Geminis, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Geminis, first and foremost, let me wish you a very, very happy birthday, guys. It's your season, just rock it. May this year be the, one of the bestest years of your life, guys. And may you have all the glory and very very good health come your way, okay? Because health is wealth, and I can vouch over it, like literally. And may you get all the happiness in the upcoming days and upcoming year, guys, okay? So like always, guys, we're going to do the collective reading for your sign. And since it's a collective reading, it might not resonate with all, so just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? Also, if this is not matching up with you, then you can check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding, okay? And if any of this is your story, if it resonates with you, do not forget to hit the like button, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, two things, there were only two messages that were coming through very strongly. One is someone is definitely going to meet his or her soulmate, okay? Could be an earth sign, not necessary, but chances are very high. Someone is literally waiting and wanting to, offer you commitment, and is literally dreaming of that perfect family life with you, okay? A perfect family, like with your presence, someone's family is going to be complete, okay? That kind of a scenario is what I saw. Hierophant card, Taurus energy, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth energy was coming through very very strongly. Someone out there is definitely sleepless over something, okay? You guys are anxious or having some anxiety, okay? Or are in overthinking mode, and you really need to sleep a lot, okay? Lack of sleep is kind of impacting your obviously it's impacting your energy levels and your day-to-day activities. So make sure you sleep and heal yourself emotionally and physically, okay? Some of you guys might have cut ties with someone, not talking to someone, blocked someone, and for someone out there, you might hear some news related to a job, okay? Maybe a new job offer might come your way, or some crucial information or news related to your work might come your way, okay? So those were some of the messages, guys, and with that, let's get started and let's see what we have for your main reading, okay? So that's your health card. Ouch, this is really ouch. What are you guys ending? See, 11 11. Oh my god, lot of dark cards over here in the overall energy, guys, really. Okay, that was not expected, but well, yeah. Let's get started, guys. Your health card is showing up as 7 of Pentacles, okay? Yeah. So maybe your health is somehow taking a backseat, is what I'm getting, Geminis, okay? You guys are probably currently you're putting your health as the last priority, which is not a good thing to do, okay? There was 2 of Pentacles also in your overall energy, which tells that you are probably multitasking, juggling between different tasks, okay? Trying to do too many things at a time, and in all this, okay, amidst all this, your health is getting compromised. I see a lot of struggle, lot of obstacles, lot of challenges in your overall energy, guys, and that obviously is putting your health in the back burner, which is absolutely a no thing to do, okay? Make sure that you are giving equal or rather more importance to your health, and otherwise we say prevention is better than cure, and it is really true. Do not get do not get to an extent or level wherein you will have, or you'll be forced to take care of your health. Okay, don't go there. Okay, so nip it in the bud. Make sure that you're taking right care, you're eating right, you're working out well, and you are investing enough in your emotional, physical, mental, spiritual well-being. Okay, that is what your health card message is, guys. And you really need to not only invest financially or just care about financial investments, but you have to invest within yourself as well. Okay, that is your health message, guys. And since this is your birthday month, make a resolution that you are going to put your health, or you are going to make yourself the topmost priority. Okay, yeah, good message to get. Magician card is your current energy. Someone out there might be in a manifestation phase. Okay, you might not even realize, but you are kind of instantly manifesting things. Okay, it's like you're thinking about someone, and some friend of yours whom you have not contacted for a long time, and suddenly that friend drops a message or calls you up. Okay, that kind of an that we call it coincidences. Okay, but there are no coincidences. Okay, so there is telepathy and there is instant manifestation that is happening in your case. So make sure that you are very much mindful of your thoughts during this phase. Okay, magician phase or manifestation phase is like a double-sided sword. Okay, the way you end up, the way you manifest positive things, you also are at a risk of manifesting negative things. So please be very careful of your thought processes. Okay, take some deep breaths, focus on your breathing, and be very very mindful of your thoughts. I also have this feeling that you guys are manifesting someone, or someone is manifesting you. Okay, like I said, that I saw relationship coming together, or happening or taking place, someone meeting his or her soulmate very very clearly. So definitely someone out there is manifesting you, or you're manifesting someone. Okay, the crossing position is 9 of Pentacles. Now this is telling me that you are headed towards 10 of Pentacles, which is a perfect family picture, a card of lot of abundance. Okay, so maybe your singlehood, someone's single status is going to end very very soon, and you're going to shift from being single to being committed, is what I'm getting. Okay, also for some of you guys, the challenge is maybe you are I feel that someone out there is doing a lot of things single-handedly. Okay, you are actually kind of having difficulty managing things single-handedly. Maybe it could be a case of single parent, single mother, single father, or you are a bachelor, or you're staying independently, and sometimes responsibilities can become overbearing and challenging. Okay, doing everything alone can be challenging, and that precisely is what I'm getting here for some of you guys. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's what I'm getting, because you are clearly burdened. Okay, you are really, see, this is your advice card, which is 10 of Wands. It is telling that it's really time to let go of this burden, guys. You are actually taking too many responsibilities that are way way more than you can handle. Okay, that you can actually physically handle. Okay, you are trying to do everything under the sun by on your own. Okay, which is which can actually backfire. So definitely it's time to let go of this burden. Definitely it's time to maybe probably delegate tasks, make others work as well. Okay, if you are going to be the one who is going to do all the work, it will definitely burn you out. Okay, and I definitely am sensing burnt out energy over here, guys. So make sure you are shedding the burden, letting go of the burden. Also, if you are carrying any baggage of the past, okay, it's really time to let go of that baggage. You really don't need it anymore. You don't need to carry it on your shoulders anymore. It's doing nothing but harming you. It's nothing but bogging you down. Okay, just understand that and let go of that burden. Your output is 10 of Swords. Some things are kind of meant to end, guys. They are really meant to end, because see, it's very interesting. Your overall energy is very much kind of in alignment with this 10 of swords energy, guys. Things are ending because you had some karmic debts to repay with to someone, okay, or you had some karmic cycles to complete, and that is what is happening with these endings, okay. So even if you try to control things, no matter how much you struggle, no matter how much you want to tighten your fist and hold on to things, it's not going to work. If things are meant to end, they are going to end. So just accept it, guys. Just accept these endings. I feel that someone is really going through a lot of challenges over here. This energy literally makes me cringe, okay, and it's really a very painful energy. I feel that someone has actually broken your trust over here. Someone has actually kind of manipulated you. This I did not speak about it during while talking about your current energy, but now that I'm talking about or seeing your overall energy, I feel that someone in your circle whom you trusted a lot has kind of broken your trust, okay, literally broken your trust and literally let you down big time, and it's hurting, it's really hurting, and it's kind of pinching you, okay. See, someone is having this, I don't like this face at all, okay, and this is a very cunning energy is what I'm getting, guys. Very negative energies coming through, and if this thing has not happened to you, and if you're listening to this reading, just be very careful. Someone whom you trust a lot is not that trustworthy, okay, and you might end up getting hurt. So just be very careful, treat very carefully. Do not open all your cards blindly, do not trust anyone blindly, okay. That's what I'm getting. Otherwise you're bound to get hurt, guys, okay. I see that someone is going through a lot of challenges currently, okay, and you're feeling stuck and helpless. The energy of being stuck is coming through very strongly. Virgo, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energies are coming through very strongly. Either you have double air in your birth chart, or you're dealing with any of these signs, okay, especially Virgo, Pisces and air signs, okay. So you guys are basically feeling stuck, okay, you are literally feeling stuck. The thing is, guys, you have the choice, but you are not making it, okay. You are choosing to remain stuck. You are not accepting the situation. You are not letting go of something which is really, which you know right in the face, you know it's going to end, okay. You know that it's not serving you right, you know that it is detrimental for your well-being, and you have to let go of it. It's like you are clenching a thorn in your hand, okay, and you're just refusing to let it go. That's not good, guys. At the end of it, you're going to be hurt, okay, and it's going to hurt you a lot. You're going to bleed. So please let go of whatever is not serving you and set yourself free and move on in your life, okay. I know it's a hard decision, it's kind of head over heart kind of a decision, but you have to take some, really harsh and practical decisions in your life that are for your well-being, okay. Hanged man energy, maybe it's time to step back and contemplate, and try to see things from a different angle. You are completely missing one angle. I feel that you are actually trusting someone so blindly that you are just refusing to see the reality that is right there in your which is right in your face, guys, okay. So time definitely to shift your perspective, okay, and try to really ponder and introspect and think, okay. That's what the angels are saying, okay. That's what the spirit guides are telling you. It is really time to have a reality check, Geminis, okay. So in whichever aspect of your life it is applicable. Shadow side, I feel, Gemini, somehow, you are sitting in the energy of fear. You are sitting in the energy of lack of confidence, which is very unlikely of you. You are an air sign. Usually, you are very rational. Being rational is is in your DNA. That's your element, okay. But somehow, you are just fearing change. You are fearing letting go of something, okay, something or someone or some situation, okay. But unless and until you let go of what is, how will you know what lies ahead for you, okay. Maybe something really really good, something which is in alignment with your energy is waiting up for you. But unless and until you let go of the past or let go of the situation that is already dying, you will not know what lies ahead for you. Okay, so it's really time to face your own demons, guys, and it's time to overcome your fear. By the way, there was strength card in your overall energy, okay, Leo card. So I feel that that strength, you have to give it to yourself. Okay, you have to muster courage, and have to tell yourself that this is it, this is not working for me, I need to acknowledge this and I have to let go. Okay, that is what I'm getting very very strongly. This is turning out to be a specific reading, guys. But if at all it is matching to you, then I hope you listen to this and I hope you'll take the right steps. Okay, 11 11, 4 of wands, someone, I said, like I said, is definitely going to get married for sure. Like for sure someone is going to get married or get committed, engaged. Okay, if not others, other group of people, you are going to attend someone's marriage, wedding, engagement, some party, some social event, some celebration, housewarming maybe. Okay, some event wherein you'll come together. Okay, also this time is this card is talking about divine timing. Okay, for some of you guys, things will conjure up and things will start showing up the way you wanted. Okay, for or like for example, if you were waiting for that dream job or if you are waiting for your paperwork to be done, okay, things will start moving in a positive direction for you guys. Okay, that's what this card is telling me. Geminis, that was quite a heavy reading. I had not expected it, at least from your pre-shuffling energy. It's like literally on the, it's like completely opposite of what I had seen in your pre-shuffling energy. My God, my AC is not at all cooling enough. At least at this corner, the cooling is very less, and I'm feeling so hot. Anyways, let us pull one card from this beautiful deck, guys. Very very, and this card, by the way, this card had popped up just while I was shuffling, but I kept it back and reshuffled, and again it has shown up at the bottom of the deck, and it is making so much sense, like so much sense. Aquarius, full moon in Aquarius energy and Aries energy. Okay, so guys, the angels are saying that you really need to take a grip of the situation, and you really need to put your emotions aside. Okay, you really need to calm your emotions, put them aside, and you have to be realistic. Okay, you are actually not being realistic, which is very unlikely of your nature. You need to be realistic, you need to be practical, and you have to take some practical decisions rather than thinking emotionally. Okay, it is very much making sense and is going hand in hand with your tarot card messages, guys. Someone out there is just thinking with heart and not with head. Okay, and you really need to put your emotions aside and see the reality, accept the reality, and take some practical steps. Okay, so thank you, angels, for this very direct message, and which is kind of reiterating the message that you're trying to pass on to the Geminis. Okay, now since we are actually we have reached the midpoint of this year, and how time has flown by, like literally, let's do a reality check and let's see what lesson your soul needs to learn in the second half of the year, guys. Okay, something has just popped. Regret and gratitude. Okay, regret, I know that I cannot change the past. Wow, what a lovely message. So guys, don't hold any regrets, do not hold any grudges, let bygones be bygones. Life is all about moving on. Okay, learn your lessons and move on. Okay, we are here on this earth, we have taken birth on this earth in this 3D plane to learn lessons and to ascend spiritually, or to ascend as a soul. Okay, so just do not have any regrets. Make sure you're learning your lessons. That's the lesson that your soul needs to understand and learn. Gratitude. I am thankful for this life and the opportunities that it presents. Yeah, be grateful for this life. Be grateful for whatever God or universe has offered to you, or the life that you're living, the happy moments, the things to cherish. Okay, express more and more and more gratitude, and see, things will flow into life which will make you feel more grateful. Okay, so like abundance, lot of love, success will come your way. The more you express gratitude, the more opportunities you'll get to express gratitude. Okay, so yeah, Geminis, that was one kind of a surprising reading for June. This is your first sign that I'm reading. I'm going to be late this month. Okay, I had gone for a mini break, but yeah, the month has started with a quite a serious tone, and I'm just anxious now how other readings turn out to be. Okay, so I leave it at that, guys. I'll see you next month. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.